Just back another video. I'm so sorry I haven't been doing very many videos lately. That's because my life is extremely busy. I mean, it's just been really busy.
Yeah.
So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make
A
a
stress
ball out of 2 ingredients.
Yeah.
One is a balloon and the other one is flour. Now usually you think, ooh, that doesn't work so well. But really, I'm going to get the opinions from other people.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
That's nice.
Really feels squishy, doesn't it?
That's really good.
Further ado, on to the tutorial. So first up, just throw that over there. So first up, you need to go into your drawers and, ooh, here it is. Oh, not big enough. Whee! To the sink. Okay, so I'm gonna wash it, and then this is pretty dry. So next up, you just have to run. And whee, right to the gift spot. Now get your balloon out. Now which color would you like? I think red would be nice. Red to go with my yellow one. Now just make sure that you can blow it up. See how slightly big it gets? Okay, works-ish. And now you're in the back. Okay, and now you just. Okay, and if you were ever a child, you should be used to putting a balloon on the faucet to throw at your father. So, I mean, I've done that. Don't worry, if you didn't, you're still totally normal. So, you just need one more thing. All the other ones are dirty. And I don't want to wash them. So, all you need is flour. So, what you do is you open this up. And if you have a family member who goes through a lot of stress, like my Mima, she owns a studio, so it's always a big hustle on the recitals. So this might be a great Christmas present for those members of your family. So sometimes it will get clogged, but all you have to do is just shake it up or just put your finger in there. And so once it gets about to here, you know that you need more. So just fill your thing up like this. Ooh. Now, when I was doing it alone, I've made 3 of these already. Oh, and by the way, I made up this recipe, so in case you were wondering, if you've seen the other part of my channel where I do video games, you know that I was playing Scrap Mechanic. Well, I was playing Scrap Mechanic. Oh, one little tip. Don't ever squeeze it when it's clogged. If you squeeze it while it's clogged and there's only like this much flour in there, it will explode. I had a beard of flour because of an incident exactly like that. So, now you just gotta feel around a tiny bit, and I think it's just about done. More. So this one has worked really well.
I think it's more.
Now, my man, the cameraman, says that it needs more, but if you don't know, it's still a balloon, and you still need. Sorry. So now the camera woman is doing it because she thinks that you need more, but it actually seems quite smart because my balloon is this big and my other ones are half the size of this. So All you need to do is you really just need to pack it down like you're milking a cow. You just want to grab it at the top and pinch and just pull. But make sure to hold here because we really don't want that to slip off because you'd have a floury mess. So, just hand over the camera. So, now it's a bit bigger. You just want to stick it to your size. And if I were to do it really down low, you see how this is really thick. That's because there's flour in there. You really don't want flour in there. That's why you need to leave some space. Sorry about that. I've been running out of iPod storage, but don't worry. You will get this video out. So I have just finished. You just need to tie your normal knot on there, and yeah. It is officially. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, okie dokie. It is perfect. So, here we go. It is done, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do leave a like and subscribe. Once you've subscribed, hit the bell to get all notifications for when my next video will come out. And I just want you to think. What does orange and red make? Oops. A new orange towel subscriber. No, just kidding. Red and yellow make orange. Cool, right? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do leave a like and subscribe. And, yeah, see you guys all again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.